Hello everyone, this is Danish again. So you have done a dual monitors. A lot of people have, let's say, a laptop, and we'll have a monitor like this. So you can move your mouse from here to the right side. But what if you are using two different machines? Let's say this is a machine right here, and then this is another machine. And let's say you have a third machine over there too, and you have, let's say, four monitors, two dual monitors, and one machine is right here, monitor, and let's say four monitors. Now, in normal cases, if you don't have a system, then what will you do? You either have to get something very expensive, or maybe another, physical ports or adapters or stuff like that to make this work. But there is a easy and a free way from Microsoft through the network. So the first thing, what I'm saying is that I don't want to use this keyboard and mouse to do my work over here. I can be just using my laptop, doing my dual monitor stuff, and then move into my second machine through the network. How is this possible? Let me show it to you. The first thing you need to do is to make sure your computer is connected to the network, and this computer needs to be connected to the network. So network is required. The second piece in this that's required is the application. So let's go to our main machine and open up what we need to download. What we need to download is this guy right here. It's called My Mouse Without Border. It is from Microsoft Link. So if you click on it, make sure you test it in another machine. If you are worried about downloads, we don't take any responsibilities of downloads or anything. So click on download right here, and then basically once it's downloaded, then run that application. You do need admin rights. You're going to click on it, and basically you're going to click on next, accept the agreement. Let's pretend I read this, and I'm going to click on install, and I'm going to click yes. So right now I have finished this installation. You do need to be an administrator again to run this. You have to own this machine, or maybe your IT people can help you if they allow you to run this application. So now it's running on my machine. If you don't find it here, you can also search Mouse Without Border in your search right here, and then you can open it, double click on it, and it's going to open up something like this. As you can see right now, since I have already done this setup, it just picked up my machine, the other one too. Usually it's going to be like this. So I'm going to actually uncheck it. It's going to be like this. Your monitor will look like this. So what you should do, you should have this machine. This is your main machine. It's going to be the top one. And if it's not here, then maybe you can put it on whichever side you want to. Just like in dual monitor, you go from left to right. Now you have a machine from left to right. You're going between machines now. So if this is not an important machine, you just want to watch things over here. Let's say, for example, I'm doing meetings on this machine. This machine could be my application machine, searching machine. So I will keep that on the left, and main machine is on the right. So then I'm going to move this to the second side right here, right? All right. Then I'm going to hit back to my other machine. You see how I'm not using that, and that's pretty tedious for me to move on to different machines using different keyboards. That is why I'm doing all this stuff. I'm going to have to download the same application one more time. I'm just going to click on it, go back to Google, type Mouse Without Border in that same machine. I'm just going to click next here and install, and again admin rights, and click finish. So once I install it, as you can see, we have installed that, and it's going to be on my desktop right here. I'm going to double click on it and open it. So in the beginning, what happens is that you may see an option to a blue icon, basically a blue message that it says, did you set up first machine somewhere else? That's going to give you that message right there. Okay, so if it gives you that message, all you have to do is to simply take the key from here. So let's say this is the key right here. This is my key, and that's the computer name right there. So you're going to go back to the left machine and do the same thing. I'm going to remove this right here. I'm going to keep it the same way. And here you can see I need to put the key in there. As you can see, the key is exactly the same. So basically, you're just going to copy the key from here, write it down, go back to the other machine from here or from the right side. It doesn't matter. However many machines you have 4 ability right there. So then you're going to do the same process. As you can see here, my machine was on the left, the main machine, that this one right here. So I moved it to, in that machine, I moved it to the right. And now I'm going to basically click on apply. It's doing a handshake, and it's connected right there. So right now my local machine is on the left side, and this machine is on the right side. So if I move my mouse now, you see how easy it is. That's the magic. So now I have a dual monitor all the way down here. I can go all the way to that machine and basically cancel things, come back over here. You can see I'm in there now. I'm going to cancel this guy and then basically move into my, if I have a extra monitor right here, I can move in. Now, other thing is you can do is that you can open up Firefox, let's say. Now, if you open up Firefox, remember, these are two different machines. You can drag and just bring that right here. It won't work. You see, it just got stuck in there. But what you can do, which is really, really powerful, you can copy things from there. And let's say I come to this machine now and I'm open that. You can definitely copy things like that. Even a file will get copied over, but it's going to be a copy option, which is amazing. To me, it's like now I have one laptop with one mouse and I have a huge ability to just move left and right without getting stuck. I could have 3 different machines right here and I can make it an awesome setup for myself without buying any equipment. So this is how we do things. It's pretty easy setup. Try it. It's going to definitely save you time and you're going to love it. Okay, if you have any questions, please comment on this in this video. Thank you.